Off by saying the returning officer is here, the county election manager is here, and the entire IBC team. They have all the materials they require. They have the staff who will participate have been adequately trained. Got a briefing from the security team, and they have assured me that they'll take charge of security so that we don't have incidents like what happened in the previous by-elections in the other parts of the country. So I want to believe that IBC is ready, and we should deliver a credible election to the people of Juja. That's a very good question. Thank you. As a commission, we of course have our COVID protocols which are in place, and every step of that protocol must be followed by the voters as come in the polling station. These protocols were developed together in conjunction with the Ministry of Health. There must be hand washing, sanitizing, a voter must wear a mask, there's a temperature gun,